Hello and welcome to Travels with Trigger. This is the first of our vlogs, and there goes Trigger. He just sat down, and anyway, and that's Carol over there. I'm John, and we're on our way to Wyoming and Montana from Central Texas. We're not sure what we're going to see with all the smoke that there's been. This is Labor Day, but we're really looking forward to it. It's about a month-long trip, and today it'll take us about 2 days to get out of Texas, day and a half. So we're just driving along here, enjoying the ride, and not probably stopping too often except for gas when we need it. So anyway, I hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you in a bit. Well, I thought I might add some roadside footage here for those of you who might not be familiar with Texas and may think of it, as I did before I came here, as all sand and sagebrush. Oh, and by the way, we won't be traveling on interstate highways today, except for a short stretch around Abilene. In Texas, two-lane roads are generally 70 to 75 miles per hour, so we'll be moving right along anyway. This is Anson, Texas. Alright, so figured we'd just be driving all day, not really stopping, but here we are in Turkey, Texas. And has the distinction of being the home of Bob Wills. So we're coming into the town now.
You might have to explain who Bob Wills is for some of these people.
Don't know who Bob Wills is.
Don't know who Bob Wills is.
Yeah, there's always a Wikipedia.
JB's Barbecue and free recliners.
Always something special in Texas. Well, for those of you who may not know who Bob Wills was, he is widely considered the king of Western swing, and he was one of the co-founders of the movement. He's probably best known for the time with the band he formed in 1934, the Playboys, which was later billed as Bob Wills and the Texas Playboys. Of course, Bob was on the fiddle. He was inducted into the Country Music Hall of Fame in 1968, and although he passed in 1975, he and the Texas Playboys were inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in 1999. Wills was a big influence on many top country as well as rock and roll legends. When asked his opinion of Wills and the Playboys, Jimi Hendrix uttered those iconic words. I dig them. Carol, do I have to explain who Jimi Hendrix was? Okay, we're here in Caprock Canyon State Park in Texas. This will be our first night. And the Texas buffalo herd is on the road, or bison herd, I guess, yes. And there's a guy in the grass here. Barking. That's a nice big guy right there. The guy that's behind these. No barking. So yes, I was here in 2009 and never even saw the buffalo. Bison. Here they are. Trigger. No barking. Here they are.
See the little one rolling in the dirt?
The bison wallow. Alright, so what I thought I'd do here is show you our campground here at Caprock State Park, Caprock Canyon State Park. And we got in several hours ago, but it has been so hot. In fact, when I was trying to photograph the Bob Wills bus, it was so hot that my phone froze up after a minute of videoing. It said it's too hot. So anyway, thought I'd show you. That's our camper with the four-wheel camper on it. We do have air conditioning, fortunately. Got it down to about 76 inside, and it's 93 or so still outside here. But anyway, these campgrounds are pretty nice. Taking a look at the campground here. It's pretty secluded here. This is the back of it. They're pretty deep, which is really nice. And coming around here, kind of take a look. You can kind of see how deep we are. Someone walking by here. But yeah, it's been pretty nice. And this is Trigger. And all he's been doing is playing since we got here, which is what he does. Yeah, he's a good puppy dog, aren't you, Trigger? And he's black, so it's hard to see him sometimes. But he's been a good boy. Been playing a lot. Taking a look. So anyway, it's nice. It's sunset now. Sun's going down. And here comes Carol from going out and photographing.
Still photograph bison.
Go photograph bison. So anyway, that's our camp. Well, Carol primarily does still photography, so we're going to be including some of her shots in our videos, and I hope you enjoy them. Just after I signed off a minute ago, these bison, I don't know why I keep saying buffalo, I know they're bison, just showed up in our neighbor's camp. Obviously they don't try to keep the bison out of the campground, so yeah, hopefully they don't come over here. Well, hopefully they do, maybe, I don't know. Oh my God, Carol used to see this big guy that came in. That guy is huge. Huge. He must be the master bull, one of those two guys there. That's a female. So there's a baby just ran up. Now they're just across the road from us, so you can see. Looks like a scratch fest over there. And the big one over there he's like standing on it, isn't he? The one over to the left? He's standing on it? Looks like it's underneath him. It's actually a lot darker than the video is showing here, folks. And he's coming right at me, and I'm moving back, fortunately. Or she. Okay, well, she's moving down the road, it looks like, I hope. You can see they're not very far from the camper now. So I think we'll get our stuff and get inside. Probably not good to hang out here. A little excitement here as we kind of wrap it up. Well, as soon as we got into the camper, we noticed that they had come around the other side and were completely surrounding us. So Carol got a few pictures out the back door, and then we went to bed. So we'll see y'all tomorrow or on the next video. Good night.